morning! Today, we're gonna make a very special breakfast for my two children. They really like this breakfast. It's a lovely pancake. So to prepare the pancakes, I have my lovely daughter. One of the precious lady in my life. So to prepare the pancakes, we need all-purpose flour, baking powder, a little bit of salt, and sugar. This is the first batch of the ingredients that we have to combine it in the bowl. My lovely daughter will prepare. We'll measure it. 3 cups of flour na, please. And then 3 teaspoons of baking powder. Yeah. So in every cup of flour, it is 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Just 1/2 of teaspoon of salt.
Lumalabas dito.
Yeah, you can make it na. Sugar. That one. I use brown sugar. It is the healthy sugar. Yeah, use the tablespoon enough to get it all. 3/4 cups, huh? 3/4 cup. Yeah. Put together in the flour, yeah. Okay. Now whisk. Just whisk the flour to combine together. Okay, in another separate bowl, we have to combine our wet ingredients. 1.5 cup of milk. So 3 tablespoons of olive oil. And every cup of flour, 1 tablespoon of vegetables oil.
3?
Yeah, you make it 3 enough. Yeah, lovely. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now, to make it very fluffy and soft pancakes, we have to separate the egg whites and the egg yolk. So, in every cup of flour, we need 1 piece of egg. So, we use 3 cups of flour, so we need 3 pieces of an egg. So, the egg whites should be in separate bowl. Help me enough. And then the egg yolk on the wet ingredients, the milk. So we need 1 more. 1 more na. Yeah. Yeah, okay. No problem. Where's the whisk, Anak? Where's the whisk? Now, we need to fluffy the egg white. It's another skills actually. If you don't have mixture in the house, so we can do by hands also. Yeah, just a little bit patience more patience, and you can make it. Almost. Can you see? Okay, try. This is what we are looking for now. To test your meringue is perfect, this is the tricks we gonna put in our head. So it is fall down in your head. It means your meringue is still very soft and is still not perfect. Don't try at home. If you guys is not sure, you might take a bath with the egg whites. Even I dance, anak, try it in your head. Even I dance, it will not fall down in my head. This is our wet ingredients. Wish, anak, wish. Wish. And then combining the dry ingredients into the flour mixture. Yeah, that's the correct consistency. Yeah. Now we're gonna fold the egg whites. Yeah, it's done. It's properly folded. Yeah, that's the nice consistency. Yeah, lovely. So that's the challenge, anak, because that is not non-stick pan. So you must observe the proper temperature. Okay, just a little bit brush of butter on the pan. Yeah, brush the pan a little bit. Oh, the temperature is too hot, anak. Okay, follow the one. Follow the one. Now the top is already bubbling. That's the time we need to turn over. Okay. Oh, ano?
Kasi video me.
A little bit overcooked, but it's fine. It's fine. I like it. Alright, turn over.
Excellent!
Wow, perfect. I think that one is not enough. Wow, that's the pancake. It's really nice. Okay, that's enough, anak. Wow, that's really nicely golden brown, huh? Perfect, right?
Excellent!
Wow. Perfect. Keep going. Just a little bit. Don't put much. So even Kuya is not there, you can make your own food, huh? If Daddy is busy, huh? Huh?
Dali lang.
That's simple, huh? Okay. So how many more?
Isa't kalahati.
Yeah. Okay. Take it out. So one more to go, right? Wow. It's like a tower now, huh?
Wow, fantastic.
Lovely. See? Now it's getting better and better, right? So that's the last one, okay? Right? I think it's done, anak. Okay, it's done. I want to see your face. Do the plating, anak. So, that is banana pancakes. So normally you make basic pancakes. You guys, if you want to put some banana on it or berries on, you will be a chef someday, huh? Okay, perfect. And then banana. You wash your hands, right? So you are doing do the plating pancakes, huh? Okay, okay. One piece of pancake in every place, and then keep going, keep going. Butter. Syrup underneath. Oh, not much, not much.
Walang nasa kaya.
Okay. Okay. One more. Then one more. And then butter again on it. And then her brother is eating a lot, so 2 is not enough actually. There's an art, huh? You told me, anak, you want to be a spacer chef someday, right? Yeah. Oh, lovely syrup. Perfect. And then for Kuya, I told you make 3 for him. How many pieces? Okay. Okay. And then syrup on it. That is good exposure for you. Nice Alright, that is the lovely pancake of my daughter. Why you don't face to the camera, anak? You're so cute and lovely. Same like daddy, no? Wow. Delicious, anak. Okay, that's for Kuya. Yeah. Okay. Not much butter, huh?
Ayun tayo. Ako, dito kanina pa.
Now, this is the pancake of my lovely daughter. Now my son is ready to eat. Camera lang, I want to show you in my vlog. So, it's lovely. So one more. As you can see, guys, it's very soft and fluffy pancake. As you can see.
No, they can't see.
Ask, can you call Kuya now?
Kuya! Kung ano mo gusto.
That's the condition, huh? Alright, thank you everyone. See you on my next vlog.